Now the septum divides the testes into say around 200 to 300 lobules. You can see that this is the septum. It divides the testes into 200 to 300 lobules. Now these lobules, they contain 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. So these are the seminiferous tubules that are there into these lobules. Each lobule contains around 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. Now inside the seminiferous tubules, we will see how spermatozoa are formed. But first of all, just remember that seminiferous tubules, they are lined by germinal epithelium. They are lined by germinal epithelium. Now there are majorly two types of cells in the seminiferous tubules. First of all, we have the spermatogenic cells, then we have Sertoli or nurse cells. These are the spermatogenic cells, and the large ones, you see this, these are what? These are the Sertoli cells or nurse cells. So majority of the cells are the cuboidal spermatogenic cells, and some large cells are also present that we call as Sertoli cells or nurse cell. First of all, let us see what is the function of these Sertoli cells or the nurse cells. Sertoli cells or nurse cells, they provide nourishment to the growing spermatozoa. They provide nourishment to the growing spermatozoa. Plus, they also secrete ABP, that is androgen binding protein. It is androgen binding protein which helps further in the formation of the sperms, which helps in, you can say, spermatogenesis. It helps in spermatogenesis. So we have discussed two functions of Sertoli or nurse cells. As the name suggests, nurse cells, so they provide nourishment to the growing spermatozoa, plus they also secrete ABP, that is androgen binding protein, which helps in the whole process of spermatogenesis. The next type of cells we have discussed that they are the spermatogenic cells, which are in majority. You can see that these are the spermatogenic cells. Now these spermatogenic cells, they undergo mitotic divisions and form spermatogonia. After that, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, and then finally spermatozoa. So you can just see here that this is primary spermatocyte, and then it further divides to form secondary spermatocyte, and secondary spermatocyte, after that we have what? Spermatids. Then these spermatids are going to form spermatozoa. You can see spermatozoa being formed, right? So these spermatozoa are found in these seminiferous tubules inside these, and they further are going to be the male sex gametes, right? These are the male gametes. Okay. So this is how inside the testes we have spermatozoa, right? Then you see that here we have these interstitial cells, means the cells that are there in between the seminiferous tubules. These interstitial cells are also known as Leydig cells. What are they also known as? They are known as Leydig cells. Now what do these Leydig cells do? They are actually large polygonal cells, and they secrete androgens. What are androgens? Androgens are the male sex hormones. Androgens are the male sex hormones. Example, testosterone. So Leydig cells are going to secrete the androgens, which means the male sex hormones, that is testosterone, into the blood. So what we have done till now is we have discussed that inside the testes, the septum is dividing the testes into many lobules, some around 200 to 300 lobules. Inside these lobules, we have seminiferous tubules, 1 to 3 in number. Then they can be sometimes 1 to 4 also. Remember that each lobule contains around 1 to 4 seminiferous tubules. Then inside the seminiferous tubules, we have in majority cuboidal spermatogenic cells, and in minority some large cells that we call as a Sertoli or nurse cells. Sertoli or nurse cells provide nourishment to the growing spermatozoa, and the spermatogenic cells, these are cuboidal cells, they further divide mitotically to produce spermatogonia, primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes, spermatids, and then finally spermatozoa. Now, the Sertoli cells or the nerve cells, they provide nourishment. With that, they also secrete ABP, that is androgen binding protein, which helps in spermatogenesis, means the whole process of the formation of the sperms. Okay. And then in between we have Leydig cells, which we also call as the interstitial cells. These are large polygonal cells and they secrete androgens into the blood. What are androgens? Androgens are the male sex hormones, and that male sex hormone is majorly testosterone, right. So, this is a function of the Leydig cells.